Good morning students, welcome to class 4. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 11, push and pull. This is very important chapter for your coming examination. So let us try to understand this chapter in detail. So the first question arises, what is push and pull? We do various activities in our daily life. So that involves push and pull. So let us see some examples that involves push and pull. First example is, if we want to open a door, what we will do? We will have to pull the door towards us. Okay? And then if we want to close the door, what we will do? We will have to push the door. So in both the situation, we have to pull and push. So in both the situations, we have to apply some energy, and this energy is called force. So when we pull or when we push, we apply some force. So force is a new term that involves push and pull. So we can write the definition of force. A push or pull applied on an object is called force. A push or pull applied on an object is called force. So push and pull is called force. Let us see some effects of force. What are the effects of force when we apply it on an object? So there are various effects of force when we apply on an object. Let us understand. The first effect is a force can move a stationary object. What does it mean? When an object is in rest position, when we apply a force on this object that is in rest position, it will move. So a force can move a stationary object. Now, the second effect, a force can also make a moving object move faster. Second effect is, a force can also make a moving object move faster. So we can understand this effect by an example. So one ball is there and it is moving in uniform speed. Now if we want to move it fast, we will push it with the force. So when we push it, it moves faster. So a force can also make a moving object little bit faster. Now the third effect is, a force can object is moving, like a ball is moving, we can stop by applying a force. So the third effect is a force can stop a moving object. Now the next effect is a force can slow down a moving object. It is very common. What happens? When a moving object moves faster, we can apply force to stop it. Okay, so a force can slow down or stop down a moving object. So the fourth effect is a force can slow down a moving object. Then next is a force can change the direction of moving object. So we can see this effect while playing football or cricket. So we can change the direction of ball by applying force. So a force can change the direction of moving object. And the last one is a force can change the shape of an object. So this effect we can see in kneading a dough. So by kneading the dough we can see the changing of shape of the dough. So a force can change the shape of an object. So these are the effect of force. So this is how we can see the effects of force. So we will learn the next topic in the next class. Till then.